guys, it is Olivia here at the Exploreum Science Center again. So today I have something a little less kid safe than normal, but it's such a cool experiment. I definitely wanted you guys to see it, and I know that a lot of you have seen it before, so you're probably missing it a little bit. So what we are going to be doing today is a little experiment I call the Human Torch. So yes, comic book fans, that Human Torch. So what we have in front of us today is I have a huge Erlenmeyer flask full of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into my empty bowl. Now this may start off like a regular old little summertime experiment, but we have a twist with it here that we're really excited to show you. The next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna throw in a ton of soap. There we go. Put that over here. And then I'm just gonna take my hand and stir this up a little bit. So, anybody tell me what I would be making if I was just doing these two things? If you know, tell me in the comments. So, if you guys have guessed it, we are making a bubble solution. Now, when it comes to bubbles, a really cool thing that you guys can do to put a little bit of a science twist in it is you can study what gases are actually going inside of your bubble. So everybody take that familiar deep breath in for a bunch of oxygen and breathe it out for a bunch of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is usually the gas that we trap inside of our bubble. Today, we're gonna be using a little bit of a different gas. So this gas, and I never tell people what it is, just to be safe. This gas is pressurized, and we are gonna be making some really cool bubbles of our own. You guys ready? Now, those are some big bubbles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip my hand in this nice soapy water solution. And you guys will notice there's one other very not kid safe thing here on this bar, and that is a lighter. And that is because the gas that we actually trapped inside the bubbles today is a flammable gas. So I'm going to take a big old hand of big bubbles. I've got my lighter here, child lock off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to gently do that. Pretty cool, huh? So, as you guys can see, my hand is fine. No need to call an ambulance or anything like that, because these bubbles and the water that I soaked my hand in actually protect it from the heat emitted when that gas lights on fire. So this is just one of the many experiments I do here at the Exploreum Science Center. Me and a lot of my awesome coworkers do all kinds of crazy things. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So if you guys want to come see us, remember to start up a new membership, renew the one you already have, or you can feel free to go ahead and push that donate button on our website. We hope to see you guys soon.